this malaria of a thing is getting too much. Hmm? You have to try and get better. You know the situation of things now. Please, I beg you, Mama, please. Do you want to vomit again? You know if...
Prince, I'm here with the drugs. Oh, good. Sorry, oh. Sorry. How is she faring?
As usual, the same thing.
Hey.
What?
Oh.
Come, take the drugs. Take the drugs. Eh?
My prince, first thing tomorrow morning, we'll have to look for money to give her to go to the hospital. Eh? Because this is becoming serious.
It's too serious. Eh? You're very correct.
If I take this, I might vomit it.
You will not vomit.
Take it first.
Please,
take
it. Try it now, again. Try for me, please. Take it. Take the water. Good.
Sorry, oh.
Sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. First thing tomorrow.
Very important.
Yes.
Because you are
fully aware of the situation on ground now, so we have to try tomorrow and see what we can do.
Health first.
Okay, okay? That's exactly what we'll do.
Because it's health first.
You know the situation now. Things is not really okay like that.
Abim.
Take care.
I'm
How are
back.
you?
Fine.
So how did it go? What did the doctor say?
Huh?
So yeah, if you mean this.
Open it.
Hey. Jesus! So I'm going to be your father.
Yes.
Hey, girl.
My love, what is it? You don't seem to be very happy. What happened?
I'm happy. I'm happy. Of course I'm happy. Can't you see? It's just that this thing came out at the wrong time. Look at us. We are helpless, living under somebody's roof. Eh?
Sit. My love, children are gifts from God. He always makes a way for them. I don't believe that this came at the wrong time. No. God will always make a way for us. Okay? And I intend to start something small to support you.
Trying to start something small.
Yes.
Something like what?
I don't know, but anything to support you.
Wow.
It's okay. Everything will be fine. Let's be happy for the unborn baby.
about class, not about qualification.
So, why is this place looking so scanty? Why haven't you plastered it yet?
We are working on it, sir. So soon it will be ready. Yes.
Soon it will be ready, I see.
Yes.
And then the interlockings, you told me that they were going to supply the interlocks, and yet this place is yet to be covered up.
Yes, they will supply it by next week, maximum next week.
Next week?
Yes, yes, sir.
You better hurry up. I believe I can always count on you to give me something
Sure.
good.
You don't
so
have
you
a
just
problem.
have to speed up this job.
No problem. I'll make sure I complete it. Okay? You don't have a problem about it. Just
Okay,
take a look at it.
that's okay.
Everywhere.
And then the toilets, have they brought the new ceramics?
Yes, it's there.
This is the best thing we have. I'll bring it back here.
I think everything is complete.
With your credibility, I believe you're supposed to get done with this project by now.
Yeah, sure, sir. Very soon we'll finish it, okay?
God bless. Look at these people that I will sell this for them. This thing is a very big money.
This money will make.
Yes.
But they will not allow us to take it.
Leave that thing. I know how to do it.
Please.
Welcome, sir.
You can see what we're doing.
Welcome. How are you?
Yeah, how are you? Fine. Okay.
So the interlocks they're going to supply next week, yeah?
Sure, next week.
Good.
Maximum. Just take a look at what we're doing.
Because I want to see if I can launch this house in about 2 weeks.
Joe.
Yeah.
What is he doing here?
That man. That is our guy. He is the owner of this building. Do you know him? Huh? How do you know him?
Never mind. Come, let's go.
So you're telling me that the almighty prince and his lover, Chiamaka, came to you for shelter? So they don't have shame anymore? Eh? Yeah, you feel had agugo fananyan.
Do I know for them? See, whatever they like, let them be going through. I don't care. After all, she has made it clear to me that she doesn't want me again. So me, I don't care. Actually, I don't care.
Even you. So it has cleared off your eyes. Hey! It's fine anyway. When I was telling you that this girl is not good for you, you don't listen. I told you she doesn't deserve you. Why you don't listen? If not, she wouldn't have absconded with the prince. Now you understand what I've been saying. Listen. Okay. Well, you know everything happens for a purpose. Because I believe God has removed them out of the way. You understand? You know, what God has joined together. Let's no man put us on that.
Yeah. What's this now? What's this now? What's this?
You say if you do too. What is wrong with you? Someone cannot joke with you.
You stay like that. Social distance.
What is wrong with you? It's not our living.
What do you want to buy?
I will stay in your shop.
Hey, I said come. I said come, yes, you. Yes, come.
Yes, sir.
From today, I won't be needing your assistance here anymore.
Okay, engineer, why? Okay, engineer, please. I need this work. My wife is pregnant. You know I need this job, please.
I understand, but that's order from above. It's not my fault, okay? It's order from above, okay? Just understand. I have something for you.
Okay, engineer, please, sir. Please, I
See,
need this job.
it's not my fault. Just stand up.
Please, I beg you in God's name. Please, I need this job.
See, take this money, okay? Just leave. I can't do anything for you. This is order from the above. I can't do anything. Just leave, okay?
Oh, you know I need this work. I need this work. Please, I beg you.
I know you need this work, and I need it too. Do you want them to sack me? Just go. Please, just leave. Okay? Hey, you, wait. Continue what you're doing. What are you looking at? Come on, just go. Hey, and you, finish up with these things and meet me in the office. Okay?
What happened back then? What do you have with the boss?
Nothing. But my father is behind all of this. He was my friend. I guess my father must have told him that he should not do anything for me. Yeah? That is why he's asking me to leave his side.
That is so unfair. Why would your father say a thing like that about his own son?
My brother, this world we are living in is very wicked. Very wicked. But I don't care how things, as bad as things may get, I will survive. Me, I will survive.
I believe you, my brother.
Hey! Everything is in here.
I hope everything is complete.
Everything is
How about the crayfish?
It's in there.
Okay. Thank you so much. Hey, is the money?
No. See, Ada, forget about the payment. Just take it that it's a token from me to you.
A token?
Yes.
Ha! Oga Sonny, you have come again, oh. It's like I will stop coming to your shop. No. Yes, now. Because it's obvious you are using this to bring me close to your shop. So you keep saying this thing I don't want to hear. You know I don't want to hear it.
Okay, you know what? The next time you come, pay. But for now, just go.
No, I refuse. I want you to take your money. Oh yeah.
I don't want that. Take it.
Now that's only take this money.
Take it and go down.
I'll keep it in this.
No.
I'll keep
next
it
time now. Next time.
Oga Sonny, you started. I don't want to come to your shop again.
Don't worry now.
mamechi o. Onye kpara sita nwekwara ike ịza gị ndụ echi. Rapụ nwa ogbenye n'echi dị ime.
Ikem, welcome.
Thank you. You came back early today.
Yeah, so my wheelbarrow broke down, so I had to come and fix it.
Yeah. Hey, okay. Let me get some rest so I can fix something for us to eat.
Ikem, see, I'm no longer comfortable with you hawking the streets. At least not in this your condition. If anything should happen to you now, pose a serious threat, I'm the man here. Let me do the hustling.
My love, nothing will happen to me. The financial responsibilities of a family is a collective effort, not just a man's duty. Okay. This is my only little way of supporting you. Moreover, I need this. I need exercise. And this is my own way of getting it.
Okay, are you sure you are okay with this?
Don't you know the woman you married? I'm a strong woman. And very soon, you will be a father.
You don't know how proud and happy you've made me feel. Eh?
Same here. Come on, feel your baby.
This is what,
He's kicking, no? He's kicking.
How do you know he's a she? No, she.
Love, one thing, Joe.
Joe, you're welcome.
I was welcome.
My brother, not so good though. No work today. Engineer decided to pause for a while.
Are you serious?
That's how we see it.
Yeah.
Hi. My brother, don't worry, okay? You see, this life, when one door closes, another opens.
Yes.
In fact, many open.
That's true. It's true. How far? Anything to eat? Man, I'm hungry.
I just came back. Let me go inside and fix something for us to eat.
Yes.
Take it easy.
Fine. I am fine.
Don't want anything to happen to this, my boy. Hey, Joe, come, please come. Hold this for me. Joe, please. I want to thank you for everything. Everything. Your benevolence is rare.
Come on. What are friends for? I'm very happy for you. Very soon, you'll become a father.
Of course, and I want you to tread in that path.
Me?
You should follow it. Come.
I hope so. Whenever it happens.
Oh, hold it. Very good. Very good. Hold it very good.
Hey. Amaka. Chiamaka, where are you? Amaka, where are you? Amaka, where are you? Why are you doing this to us? What wrong did we do to you? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? To the woman that carried you in her womb for 9 months? Why? Why, Amaka? Amaka, ibo fumbola ya jiso gwa keki si chai pianare mo. Wambiko no, come back. Amaka, wamna tamazeno biko. Why are you doing this to me? Why?
Mama. Namaka, for how long will you continue like this? How long will you continue punishing yourself every day for months, feeding on tears? Tears cannot bring her back. It can never. Only prayers can. Let us look unto God, believing and praying that He brings her mind back and she will find her way back home. Please, you can't continue like this. Just look at yourself. See how you look for starving yourself all day. I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose you, because if I lose you too,
Sit down now. Don't worry, your wife, everything will be fine, please.
You will not understand. You will not understand.
Don't worry, everything will be fine, please.
Mr. Obe now, your wife's situation is really, really critical at this point. She needs to deliver through 6. And you need to deposit the sum of 200,000 naira.
What?
You heard me. Give me the file.
Doctor, is there any other 200?
No, 200,000 naira.
200,000 naira.
What? Where did you get that money from? Hi.
There's trouble. There is trouble. Oh. Is there no other option?
No, she has said it all. That's it.
This is code is? Said he's 20,000?
Yes, 20,000.
Yes, yes.
Tony, good day, good day.
What are you doing here?
Please, Tony, I went at your house. I needed to meet with you so we could talk. But they told me that you're not there, that you are here. That's why I came here to meet you.
Okay, so how may I help you?
It's private. At the same time, this is very urgent. So can we step aside and just talk?
This is crazy. I don't know why you are here, but whatever it is that you have to say, and you cannot say it right here and right now, we have to stay for some other time, or you better let it go.
No problem. I'll say it. My wife is in labor, and the doctor said that she'll be going through a cesarean section.
Look at that.
So I need to deposit 200,000 naira, and you know, Tony, I don't have it right now. I really don't have it. I need your help.
Listen, I've told you before that I'm never gonna help you, and I will never help you. Okay? So just get yourself out of here. But wait, hold on a second. The last time I checked, you were not yet married. So I don't know where this "I am married" story is coming from.
Tony, please, my brother, I am married. I beg you. I need your help. My wife is in labor, Tony. Tony, you are my friend, though. You are my friend. Please help me.
It's fine. I'll take care of that. Listen to me, you. Don't ever allow this man in my sight. No problem. Okay? Never! Don't ever allow that man in my sight. Never ever!
Okay, sir. Do you want?
You said it's 20,000, right?
Tony, I'm your friend. Though.
Okay, 20,000.
Ever.
Do you even know him?
I don't want to see him here. Never ever in my sight, okay?
Tony, I'm your friend.
What do I do now? I have nowhere else to search for such an amount. No, I cannot watch my wife and unborn child die. I must do something. What should I do? Should I go and beg my father for money? Could he be touched after all this while? Perhaps he would. I'll give it a try and swallow my pride. Anything to save them. Oh yes, let me give it a try.
Father. Father, please, Father. I beg you in the name of God. I know you're not happy with me, but I need your help. My wife is in labor. It should be delivering through cesarean section. The doctor is demanding for 200,000 naira, Father. I don't have that money. Please, I need your help. Please help me. Please, Father.
Obina, what are you doing here? How dare you? How dare you utter such arrant rubbish before me? Obina, do you have a wife? Get out of my sight before I lock you up.
Father, please, I beg you, Father. Please, Father, I beg you. I beg you, Kirsty, please. I beg you, Father, I beg you. Please help me save their lives. You, my wife, your grandchild, Father, your grandchild.
Guards!
Your Highness.
Guards!
Yes, my king.
Bundle this garbage out of my sight immediately.
Need your help, Father. Please help me. Please.
Take him out of this palace. And if I ever see him anywhere around this palace, I will deal with both of you severely. Bundle him out! Bundle him out!
For what you've done to me, what shall be your portion? You shall look for help, and you shall never find it. Never.
Your Highness.
Your Highness, I heard noises. Who was that?
It's nobody of any importance.
Nobody of any importance?
Get inside the car, let's go.
It's okay. You can go back to your duty post.
Yes, my queen.
Obina, tears will not solve this situation. Eh? Look, we just have to think and find out. Just think of something constructive.
Joe, what is there to think about? No, what is there to think about? Eh? Haven't I tried enough to find solution? I've tried everything.
That is why I came. You know, my conscience could not allow me ignore your situation. I was moved by your tears when you met him. And I said to myself, no matter what the problem is, he shouldn't have treated you the way he did. Okay? That is why I traced you through your friend here. He told me, I asked him where you live, and he told me where you stay. I heard you both live together. Okay, I am moved. Hearing your story now, I am moved and touched. I am willing to help. I want to help you. Okay, let's go to the hospital immediately.
To the hospital?
Yes.
To the hospital?
Yes, let's go immediately.
Thank you.
No, please, stand up. Let's save this. Okay, let's go. Come on.
Oh, Mr. Obina. Congratulations.
Huh?
Congratulations. You are now a father.
Oh my God! Oh, great news!
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Engineer. Congratulations!
that your wife has successfully delivered of a bouncing baby boy.
Baby boy!
Finally! Oh, thank you. Engineer. Thank you.
I'm now father.
What's wrong for you? Oh my God.
I don't know. Can we go? Madam.
Thank you once more, sir. I will forever be indebted to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Don't thank me. No, just thank God who intervened in your case. Okay? I want you both to take good care of him. And if you will permit me, I would want to give him a native name. I would suggest Chizaram. For God answered you when it seems all hope was lost.
Chizaram?
Chizaram. Yes, that's a beautiful name, sir. God bless you, sir.
Thank you. Well, I will be on my way now.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
No.
Engineer.
Thank you, sir.
Engineer.
Who are you? Mama, sorry. It's me, Obina.
Obina, what are you doing here? Where's my daughter?
Oh, she's fine. She's fine. Calm down, man. She sent me to you. She said that I should let you know that she has given birth to a bouncing baby boy.
Obina?
Yes. She has given birth to a bouncing baby boy.
Given birth?
Yes. And she wants you all to come along with me. She couldn't come because she's a nursing mother.
She gave birth.
Yes.
Jesus. So I'm now a grandmother.
Yeah, both of you are grandparents. She wants you to come along with me. You have to come along with me.
Yes. Hey. Who would ever know that it would end like this?
Hey, now I know that whatever the gods destined, no man can stop. Hey.
I'm happy that you have forgiven us.
We only did what we had to do in such circumstance.
Yes.
My friend Joe is not here. He has gone to work. But I really want you to thank him when he comes back.
I will thank him.
Yes, so
God will bless him for us.
Of course, Joe has been so nice to us. He clothed us, he sheltered us, he even fed us.
See, this is what we call a friend indeed. For they say a friend in need is a friend indeed. That Joe is truly a friend indeed. So,
so I'm now a grandmother.
Yes, sir.
Greetings, my elders.
Doctor, you're welcome.
You're welcome, Doctor. Thank you. Like I told the Queen, we have really run a lot of tests on the King. And then there is no result showing. I must confess that the situation is becoming so unbearable. I need to give you an advice which is quite against my profession, because his situation has been proved beyond all scientific doubt that he is not getting better. So what I would suggest is that people should try a spiritual solution. Yes, spiritual solution. That way we will know what exactly might be his problem.
Okay.
Meanwhile, I will continue giving him the medications that I'm giving him pending the time people do as I suggested.
Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Doctor. All right, thank you very
We are
much.
grateful.
I will be on the way.
We appreciate. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Highness, sit down.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
I suggest we send for Otrubo, the priestess.
Otrubo? Anything to save my husband. Please. Oh no. You can send for her.
Yes. I'll think about it. So no, I know how we'll do it. Yes.
Please.
Mr. Wade.
We will do that.
Oh.
That's what we do.
Agaba, my good friend.
Oh no.
I want to tell you one thing.
Talk to me. I can hear you.
We don't need to invite Oturupo, the chief priest, as he suggested.
Why? But that is the only solution. Were you not there when the doctor confirmed it?
Terecha, I have plan.
What is your plan?
Listen, let me tell you my plan. You are my best friend. You and I have seen how the king's health is deteriorating. We have to delay the invitation of Oturupo so that the king will die.
Oh no, that is an evil plan.
Yes, shut up. Let me finish. You and I have seen that the prince is nowhere to be found. Immediately the king dies, I become the next king. Immediately, I ascend the throne. I make you know, and this motto I'll give you. But keep quiet.
Yeah. Oh no. You not my friend, the king. Oh no. With this motto.
Yes.
Oh no, tell me. Get sugar no before.
Hold on. Do you think poverty? You're not going anywhere with poverty. Look at you. Are you older than myself?
No.
I am 60-something years, and you are 56 years only. I'm 66 years now, and you are 56 years. Look at your hairs, white. See your shoe. I swear to God. Don't you want to be rich? Enjoy money. But keep quiet. Don't tell anybody. Anytime they bring out the idea of inviting the chief priest, we stand on it.
I know what to do.
What can you get me?
Oh no, with this motto.
Don't you know that poverty is a catastrophe against humanity?
That is a fact.
I want you to be rich. Kaipu.
Okay, there you go.
Oh no. My fellow elders. I don't know why we are still delaying inviting Otrubo, the priestess, for she to come and intervene in our king's illness. I don't know why.
Ichiono. It's because we still have other medical means to use. There are better hospitals and doctors to try before inviting the priestess. This is a health issue, not a traditional issue. So let us stop being fetish here.
Are you now doubting the potency of our oracle?
Oh.
Or you are challenging the power of Otrubo, the priestess?
That is not what I am saying. I'm only suggesting we be more patient than this. Simple and short.
This year, as you know who of this kingdom, I believe that Agaba is right.
Oh.
Yes, we can equally fly him abroad for better treatments.
What are you saying?
If fly abroad, we cannot waste that amount of money when we have a better way of doing that.
Okay.
Elders of the land, onye jife nwata wenya kenu ono biodo owetu onya. The gods have spoken to me and have sent me to bring answers to that which your mind seek. The king provoked an innocent spirit, the spirit of his only son, the heir to the throne. He has heartlessly disowned and banished him from his ancestral home. The prince laid a curse on him, and the gods heard his cry. If the prince is not found, the king will continue to be sick. And after 7 days, he will die. Find the prince and let the king plead for his forgiveness. If he dies, people of Omonia will drink from the river of calamity and feast on the meal of affliction. Find the prince. Find the prince. The gods have spoken. Onya warante, nyano.
No. Find the prince. You didn't even find the prince. Hey! And if that is not done, we will drink from the rivers of calamity.
Hey! I heard it clearly.
Everybody should wake up.
Oh no.
Oh?
Ndiche. The question still remains. Where can we find the prince?
Yes. How do we find him? Since he was ostracized, no one has heard from him or seen him.
I have an idea.
What is your idea, Agaba?
I heard that he fled with Chiamaka, Uboja's daughter. She is the only person that can lead us to him.
Ndishe, if that should be the case, Agaba is 100% right. We go and meet Oboja. Let's go. You would have, let's go. Oboja.
Oh no.
We need you to take us to wherever he is, for us to appease his spirit and bring him back to the palace. As you can see, doom awaits for all of us. The future of this kingdom and the life of our Igwe depends on this. So please, help us.
Oh no.
Oboja.
Agaba. If I should consider the Igwe alone, I won't even think of stepping into this. Considering the evil and atrocity he has committed, not only against my household, but against his son, his blood, without an iota of regret. However, since the future of the people of this kingdom depends on this, we'll give it a trial. But I know that it will be very difficult for the prince to forgive his father after all the evil he has done against him. But we will try.
Okay.
Oboja, Rala here. Leave it for us. We know how to handle it.
We know what to do.
We know what to do.
Okay. Your Highness.
Oh no.
Like we requested, we want you to join us in this journey because the mother's voice will absolutely do a lot to the heart of the son.
Oh no.
Oh, you
are right. That's correct.
It will be my pleasure, my elders.
Okay. In that case, we'll leave tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Oh?
Okay.
Yes. Oh, yeah, drink a mo.
Thank you. Whom I took his number the other day to know when he will not be around, so I can come for us to talk like women. Thank God you are now a mother like me. You will definitely understand my pains here. Pains of losing your only son from your grip. Please, my daughter.
No, my queen, please.
Help me talk to him.
No, you don't have to kneel before me. Please sit.
It doesn't matter.
Sit, my queen, please sit. Please, sit.
It doesn't matter, my daughter. Sometimes one has to kill pride to get what he or she wants desperately. I want my son desperately, and I'm ready to give my life to have him back. Yes, I know he loves you so much, more than anyone else. And I believe he will definitely listen to your voice if you cry out to him. Please, help me. Help a helpless mother like me.